We share basically everything. Love, play, food, toys, bed. So here we're gonna put 3 bowls of dog food here. So they can all share. Come this way. And I put some treats in there so it's tasty and yummy. And so they all share food together. And we start early with them. So when they grow up, they don't have food aggression either with people or with dogs. Putting my fingers in, you know, touching their body. We start all these very early with, you know, when we rescue puppies. So good. No food aggression. That's really, really good. Tori, super smart because I have treats here, so she knows I have treats up here. So, smart girl, look at that, I have treats here, that's why. And, Taco, can you sit? Sit. Nope, sit. Sit. Sit, sit. Taco, sit, sit. No. Oh, good sit. Sorry? Oh, find me a switch. No. So here, oh, good sit. And good. Okay. Okay. Hey, are you eating too fast? Puppies didn't get to have any. So make sure they could all eat together and not fight or growl with each other. Hey, Papa, you need to stop so others can eat. And you can see in our home, our setup, open air for the dogs to play. And